factor tree of 294. So 294, it can be written as 2 times 147. 2 times 147 means 294. So 147, it can be written as 3 times 49. 3 times 49 means 147. So now 49, it can be written as 7 times 7. 7 times 7 means 49. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 7 and 7. So we can write 294 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 3 times 7 times 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.